All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're gonna be taking a seat from a flooded vehicle. This thing is sat underwater. The bottom is gnarly. The top is super dusty. It's sat with the windows open for months. It's gonna be a good test for our Ridgid portable vac converted to an extractor. It's gonna be amazing. Let's start out by running a vacuum cleaner on it, getting all that dirt out of the fabric. You're gonna see this amazing vacuum cleaner do its job here, just drawing every bit of dirt out of that fabric. So now that we got all the dirt out of the fabric that can be removed, it's time to go around and hit all the plastics and get all that nasty stuff off. There's dirt that's been caked on here. We're gonna hit it with the interior cleaner in our new double pump sprayer bottle by Pressall. This thing's awesome too. And we'll be agitating it around with the Detail Factory Boar's Hair brush and the Color Lock kind of semi-stiff bristle brush to knock that really tough stuff off. So now that we got the plastics all cleaned up, it's time to start addressing that fabric. This stuff is nasty. It's got that embedded red dirt, really difficult to get out. So we're gonna mix up some upholstery cleaner into our spray bottle. Now that we got that mixed up, let's talk about how we're gonna agitate this product into the fabric. We'll be using our Milwaukee brushless drill with our drill brush attachment. We're gonna work it in there real good. It's time to come in with the Ridgid portable vac converted to the professional extractor. And now we got it hooked up to hot water here in the garage. Now I have solar hot water, so it gets really hot. Let's go ahead and run the extractor over it and see what kind of action we get. cool little tip for you guys. Take a clean microfiber towel and run it up and down the fabric. You can see that there's some microfibers on this fabric that kind of are directional. So I want to go ahead and work those in, make sure that they're back to life, fluffed up and not saturated with any product or anything that's going to make them look matted. This is a cool little trick to get it looking new again. And there it is. Wow, that seat looks amazing. It's like brand new again. I can't say it enough, guys. With the right products, the right tools, the right techniques, this is very easy. And people often ask, oh, the drill brush does all the work. Yeah, it does. It agitates all the dirt out of the fabric. That's what we're interested in. We want all the mechanical agitation to be done ahead of time. So when I come back behind, I pull the trigger, spray water down on the fabric and vacuum it out. And man, you're getting everything up and out of the fabric. That's the goal. That's how we do it. I'll leave links to everything I use down in the description. You guys know I appreciate when you use the links. It helps the channel, keeps good content coming, and hit that subscribe button. Bang, right there. Join the team, and we love having you on board. And like all the things I do around here, or at least I try to do, oh man, that's some good stuff right there. If you have a dirty interior, I guarantee this will get it clean. No doubt about it. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah.